Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to integrate a 3D model into your Wix Studio website using Spline. This is a fun and easy way to add some creativity and interaction to your site. I'll show you how to easily set it up so it works perfectly for your project. Want to know how to design something that really stands out? I'll show you every step. First, open Spline and set up your scene. Adjust its size to fit your website layout. Once it's done, choose a background. Try gradients, they will add a nice touch to your design. Next, add your 3D model. Click Import and select your file. Adjust the size and position of the model if needed. You can add a texture to your object to improve its overall look and highlight specific details. I'll start by improving the lid's material. Go to Material, choose Matte Cap and select Multiply. To add a custom label, simply click on the object, choose Image, and upload your design. Select Multiply if you want it to look more realistic. Now, since I need one more can, I'll just duplicate the existing one instead of starting from scratch. And we'll adjust its position as well. And now let's add more objects to our design. Here's how you can make a lemon slice from an ellipse. I'm using an image for that and adjusting extrusion to add volume and make it three-dimensional. As you can see, we've got this realistic lemon slice that we can now copy and put wherever we need. And now let's also add a half slice. Let's add more objects. And now it's time to bring it all to life with animations. Click on the object and go to States. Click on the base state and change the position of your object. The base state is the starting position, and the state shows where it moves to. Click on the object, open the Events tab, and set up a transition to connect the base state with the state. To make it rotate, set the y-axis rotation in the base state to 360 degrees. And here's how the animation looks. Repeat the same steps with other objects if needed. Spline just makes everything so simple. You can animate and create cool 3D objects easily, and it's actually fun to use. It also saves you tons of time, letting you focus on making your projects look amazing without getting stuck in complicated steps. Spline lets you combine different animations so your designs feel alive and full of personality. It's fun to experiment and see what works best. You can make objects move, spin, or scale all at once, creating dynamic and eye-catching effects. You have the freedom to tweak each animation to match your style perfectly. It's like giving your objects their own unique story to tell. Now that all the objects are set, I'll change the background of my scene. You can add or remove shadows and change the background as you wish. When your scene is ready, click Export. Adjust Play Settings and click Update Public URL. Click Copy Embed. Now go to Wix Studio. Click Add Elements, choose iframe and move it to your design. Enter the code and click Update. Click Publish. And that's it, your 3D model is now live on your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit like, subscribe and check out my community channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.